Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how you can create a VR video for your TikTok in Adobe Premiere Pro. Also check out the video description, I will leave the step-by-step instruction there as well. So let me show you how you can do that. And to create a VR video, first you need a video, and here I'm going to place it on my timeline. And by doing this creates an automatic sequence for my video. I'm going to right click on this and click on the sequence setting. For TikTok, the video frame size is vertical, and I'm going to put 1080 here and 1920 here. Sorry, and just like that. I'm going to hit OK, and this will convert your video to vertical format. Now you can see there are two sides that are black. To remove these sides, you can select this one and go to the effect control. If this menu doesn't appear here, you can go to Windows and select this option. I'm going to scale up this to the point where it covers all of the frame. I'm going to use a position, and just like that. Now I will be adding some animation to that as well. I'm going to put one keyframe here, another one. Now I'm going to position it just like that, so it will make a beautiful animation here. So now to convert this video into VR and upload on TikTok, you just need to follow my steps. When you are done with your video, click on export, and here you can select this option, the video. Click on more settings, and you need to scroll down and select this box, video is VR. Now Adobe Premiere Pro will automatically convert your video into VR. Just need to hit export, and this will create your video. It will take some time, and now you have successfully made your video. Now it's time to upload that video in TikTok. And now here's the video. It will just look like this one, and now we're going to upload it on TikTok. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to write the caption VR, and now I will just click on the post. And there you go. Now you have successfully posted a VR video on your TikTok using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.